Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Lesson 1.3. Edit and personalize the Google site. Please note that everything that you add to your Google site must be shared with view access anyone with a link can view. There are various ways to add content onto the Google site pages. Select the plus icon within that box and then select to choose Upload, Select Image from Google Drive, YouTube, Calendar, or Map. In this example, I want to add a portrait. Select from Google Drive to find the file that I need. It helps if you have previously organized your files within a Google folder. In this example, I have one Google Sites folder dedicated for the files that I'm going to use for Google Sites. This is the picture. Select the picture. Resize the box as needed. You can select the edges or the corners of the bounding box and expand to resize it and fit your picture. Explore these options as you begin to add content to some of these item boxes. I also have an About Me page. I can add About Me and then add the text. I can copy the text and take it to my Google site. Another way is to embed the file from Google Drive. Insert from Google Drive, find the file, and then embed it. Rearrange the files and the bounding boxes as needed. Close the Google Drive option. Right now we are on the home page. The next one is going to be the Contact Me. In this example, I want to add a Google form. Select Google Drive and then find the folder that you have previously created to hold all the files that you will be using for your Google Sites. I have my Google form, my Contact Me Google form. Double click and then it appears on the Google site page. Return to Pages and now we're off to the projects. Select the projects. This is the page and I'm going to insert my Google slide presentation. Insert from Google Drive, my Google Sites folder, and I want to add my presentation. There's my presentation. Close that window and now go back to Pages and select your Project 1. Repeat the process for everything that you create within those pages. Remember, you can copy and paste, or you can get files directly from Google Drive. It helps to keep your files organized within one folder. That way it makes it easy to find what you're looking for when you're ready to use it in your Google site.